What's the meaning of Billy Wilder? Billy Wilder. Billy Wilder.
Billy Wilder. Billy Wilder. Billy Wilder was an Austrian-born American filmmaker and screenwriter, known for his contributions to the golden age of Hollywood. He had a successful career spanning over 5 decades, during which he directed and co-wrote numerous classic films, such as Some Like It Hot, The Apartment, and Sunset Boulevard. Wilder's work was characterized by his sharp wit, dark humor, and insightful social commentary on themes such as greed, corruption, and human relationships. He was also known for his collaboration with actors such as Marilyn Monroe, Jack Lemmon, and Shirley MacLaine. Billy Wilder's legacy in the film industry has had a significant impact on cinema and is still celebrated today.